In today's video, we are going to explore how you can quickly create ER diagrams, class diagrams using ChatGPT, Mermaid, Draw.io. Whether you are a student, educator, or a professional, this tool can significantly streamline your diagramming process. So, let's get started with the overview of ChatGPT. As you know, the power by OpenAI, it's an advanced AI assistant that can help you generate the necessary code and guide for your diagrams. Mermaid is a let me go to the Mermaid screen. Mermaid is a JavaScript based diagramming and charting tool that allow you to create diagramming using simple syntax. First, let's look at how ChatGPT can assist in generating the Mermaid code for an ER diagram. For example, if you want to create an ER diagram for a school management system, we can ask ChatGPT to help us draft the Mermaid code. So let's try. We start by asking ChatGPT. So here ChatGPT is here. Can you help me create an ER diagram for a school management system? So it generated the script. Copy this one, but before copying, once we copy, we have to remove these things like comments, these comments from this script. So copy this one and go to this website, Mermaid website, mermaid.js.org. So as you know, this is a diagramming and charting tool. So let's get started with the live editor. Click here. This is a live editor. So it provides us a sample code here, flowchart for Christmas. So here when you are typing when you give the script here, it will create a diagram here on the right side. So we are going to remove this script, sample script, and we are pasting the script that ChatGPT provided us. So here we are getting this error, so we have to remove that. I told you before that we have to remove this. Okay, and here also we have to remove the comments. Do it for all. So still we have to remove this one also. Okay, so now you see here, after pasting the code, removing the comments, we can see ER diagram appear instantly. So I said in the beginning that we are going to use Draw.io also. For those who prefer more visual and interactive approach, you can go Draw.io. That is an excellent alternative. Once you paste the ChatGPT script, Mermaid script in the live editor, you will see this diagram on the right side, and you can save by going here in the action. You can download PNG format, SVG, and these are the format. These are the two format you can download, and yeah, you can give the width also, width, height. You can provide the width, but here it's auto. So this is the power of using Mermaid with ChatGPT, and you have a sample. So what kind of diagrams you can use? Like you can create flow diagram, sequence, class, state, ER, and these are the diagrams we can create using Mermaid script. But in conclusion, whether you prefer generating diagram programmatically with ChatGPT and Mermaid, or using visual tool like draw.io. So this method can save your time and effort. Both approaches are highly effective for educational purpose and the personal use. We'll ask ChatGPT to provide a flowchart also. So let's go back to the ChatGPT and ask flowchart for the above. Can you give me the script for the flowchart too? It will generate the script for flowchart also. Copy this one, go here. I'm going to remove this script and pasting the flow diagram flowchart. You see this one, flowchart, simple flowchart. We ask ChatGPT for so take this script and paste it here in the live editor. Remove this one, paste it here. So here you can see some decision also. So it's give the start and student enrollment verification process. Here the verification information. So if there is any problem, repeat the correct information. If it is yes, verified information yes, then it is assigning ID, student ID, issue student card, update student record, and it's checking for the class. If yes, allocate the classroom. If no, it will go back, notify student, and end the process. So you can create this one. You can create the flowchart for your any application, not only for school management. If you have hospital management, if you are working for software industry where you want to create a complex flow charts or ER diagrams, even we can create class diagrams, sequence diagrams, and many more. And you can generate any script very quickly using these tools, ChatGPT, Mermaid, and you can use the draw.io also. If you want something manually, you can use that draw.io also. I'm just zooming in, so you can see this one, teacher, and there is a relationship between the teachers and student, attendance and grades. We will create another script for a flowchart for this. So ChatGPT modify a little bit. So we take this one for flowchart, copy this one, come here. So here, so now let's create a diagram for flowchart. So here you see this one, flowchart. Start attendance record. If we have attendance record, yes. Review attendance, no. Record attendance, grade, check grades. We can do, we can ask ChatGPT to modify according to your requirement. So you can, here you can see that class has grade. Okay, grades exist. So this is the power of using AI tools. You can do the same thing with the ChatGPT also. In the ChatGPT, you go here chatgpt.com/gbts, or on the left side you can see the explore GPT. So when you click there, my GPT, so you will see the top pick, and here you can see a couple of applications. So you click here, Mermaid chart diagram. start chat. So it will open the chat in your ChatGPT, and there you can start giving the instruction to the ChatGPT. It will connect to the Mermaid chat diagram. So I will show that one. So here I'm already connected to the ChatGPT with the Mermaid application. So I will ask again class diagram for the hospital management. I will give me so it generate the script. I will ask generate the diagram also. So let me post this prompt, generate diagram here. So here you see the starting action. By the way, I'm using 4.0, the paid version of ChatGPT. So I think you need the paid version for this one. I'm not sure. So it is asking that ChatGPT asking me permission for this site. So I'm clicking allow. Here you see the diagram. You can download, save as image. Similarly, you can ask for sequence diagrams. sequence, sequence. Allow. See, you got the sequence diagram. You can get everything: sequence diagram, flow chart, everything. You can get that one. So I'm asking for flow chart. There it is, a new flowchart ready to roll. It's giving a script as well as diagram. Allow. Talking to website, Mermaid website. Let's see. So this is the diagram, flowchart. Suppose if you are developing a project, big project, then you need flowcharts, so you can just provide the prompt, correct prompt, and you get the correct answer. So this is the power of using the ChatGPT, Mermaid, and efficiently you can generate visualize diagram in a minute.